This is a very delicious apple cookie, and you're gonna love it. Hey y'all, it's Tammy with Collard Valley Cooks, and today Chris is out fishing and we're going to be making him some apple cookies. Why? Because I found apples on sale. Let's get started. Hey y'all, it's Tammy with Collard Valley. Hey, it's Tammy with Collard Valley Cooks. It said it was reconnecting. Hope you're having a great day. I bought some apples on sale yesterday, and so I wanted to make something out of them. And me and Chris have got to where we really like to snack on cookies. So we are making some apple cookies. They had these for $4.99 a bag. They're Pink Lady apples. And so that's what we're going to use to do our cookies today. Right now I'm just chopping up the apples. And I'm getting them pretty little. And I guess you could grate them or put them in a chopper if you wanted to. If you don't want to do it this way, that's fine. Now, what it says to do first is beat margarine, sugar, eggs, and vanilla together. So I'm going to just add those three ingredients. Brown sugar, egg, now we've got our margarine, our sugar, our egg, and vanilla in here. And now we're going to start adding the dry ingredients. This is an apple cookie. This is nutmeg, a 1/4 teaspoon. Salt, a 1/2 teaspoon. This is 2 cups of flour. And then the rest of the flour. Okay. Yummy. All right, let's scrape the sides and make sure it's mixed in there good. It looks good to me. That nutmeg got up on the side. I want to make sure it gets into the cookie. Now we're going to add apples and pecans to it. Now the recipe called for chocolate chips, but I don't want to use chocolate chips in mine because this is, me and Chris just have been wanting some cookies, and these are going to be delicious. But here's the apples, and it called for 1 cup, but I'm putting a little extra apple in it. And then we're going to make some frosting when they are cooking, okay? So there's our apple, our pecans. It's a whole cup of nuts. You can use walnuts or pecans or whatever you want to use, whatever you have handy. And it looks like they're going to be a really wet cookie, but that's all the flour it called for. Oh, we didn't put our soda in there. It's a 1/2 teaspoon. Let's do that right quick. Lord, I about forgot. And now I got to make sure I mix it up good because nobody wants a big hunk of soda in their mouth, right? If you've seen the giveaway that we're doing this month on the website, it's for the canisters that I just thought were super cute. And I ordered them. And here is what they look like. Now this is a White Lily sticker on it. And so the winner of the giveaway will get this set of canisters, a set of stickers. I can't remember what all I got on there. 5-pound bag of self-rising flour, a 5-pound bag of White Lily cornmeal mix, a couple of pound cake mixes, a blending fork, some biscuit cutters. I mean, a good bit. It's a nice, beautiful, wonderful Mother's Day giveaway. So if you haven't gotten on the website and enter today. And if it kicks back your email and says that they're reading it as spam, which it does if it don't like your email, all you gotta do is email us through the website, send a message or email us, and I will add your email address to a safe list, and then you can enter. So don't give up quickly. Go ahead and make sure you send it, and I'll do it, I promise. That's all there is to it. I just wanted to make these because the apples were on sale, and I thought, you know what, I'm gonna get those apples and there's no way we're gonna eat them all, so I'll make a dessert out of them. So I'm gonna spray my baker's pan with some Baker's Joy, and this pan is a Rada pan off of our knife website link. They have cake pans, brownie pans, and baking pans, and they're really nice. And I'm just gonna drop these by spoonfuls, okay, onto the cookie sheet. Let me move y'all back just a tiny bit. Now, here we go. And I have no idea how much they're going to spread or anything. So if they do spread together, we'll live and learn, okay? As we go. I've never made these before. It's something new. These are apple. They're called Frosty Apple Bites, but I'm going to call them frosted apple cookies, okay? So we're going to get these in the oven. And so we'll set the timer. So I thought they'd be good. You know what? I should have thrown a little oatmeal in them. That would have been even better. But I didn't. I meant to. I mean, it's not in the recipe, but it would be delicious, wouldn't it? So if you want to throw a little oatmeal in yours, go right ahead. Matter of fact, I might take the rest of this mix and mix a little oatmeal in it. All right, so we're going to add just a little oatmeal in the rest of these cookies because I think it'd be good. When I bake, I just throw stuff together. You can throw anything in there you want to, really. It ain't going to hurt nothing. So we're going to, let's get the cookies out. I'm going to stir this up. And the next ones we make will have some oatmeal in them. Okay? Now, it's going to melt a little bit when it goes on the cookie, so keep that in mind too. All right, there it is, creamy cinnamon glaze. We'll bake them at a little higher temperature than 350 next time. But on the bottom, they're brown, so they'll probably be nice and chewy on the inside. And good, more than likely. This pan, they just come right up off of it because it's non-stick. Boy, these look good. Now this is going to melt and just fall down over the top of them. And you should ice them while they're still warm, so it will. All right, now this batter has the oatmeal in it. So we're going to get these in the oven, and we'll see which ones we like the best. And these are the oatmeal cookies. We're going to see how they turn out. They're a little taller, so they didn't spread out as much. I saved the rest of the batter so we can refrigerate it and make cookies again and have them fresh. So I like to do that lots of times. I leave it in there up to a week. You can freeze it and keep it for a long time. All right, I'll show y'all these up close. That's the apple oatmeal. And then this is just the apple. So you can tell that the consistency is a little different between the two. So it's like having oatmeal in the morning. It's hard for me to decide. Okay. My decision is without oatmeal, believe it or not, because you can taste the apple a lot more and you can feel it in your mouth a lot more. You can just really taste the apple more without the oatmeal. When you put the oatmeal in it, it doesn't really taste oatmeal-y to me. Now it might when it's cold, but I can't chew on the texture of the apple as good, if that makes sense. So I would prefer making these without the oatmeal if I were going to serve them to somebody. So without the oatmeal's the winner. I will see you next time on Collard Valley Cooks, where we cook what's on sale, right? See you next time. Love ya.